Having a pool is a fun thing, but keeping it clean is a whole nother story. There's no easier way to keep a pool clean than with a robot vacuum. Here I have a Dolphin unit, and earlier today it was having some issues. I'm going to teach you how to fix that. Pretty much when I was pushing the little blue, power light that's lit up now, I know it's blinking, but it's solid blue. The camera's playing tricks on us. The unit did not want to turn on. The light didn't turn blue. And ultimately, we were getting a dirty pool because it wasn't running its cycles. Now, real quick, I cannot get this thing to register on the app. There's a QR code on the side that's worn off. So if anyone has a trick for that, let me know. But my process is to come out here, push the blue button, and let it do its thing every other day or however often I want to do it. With that being said, when I went to push the blue button yesterday, the unit did not power on. It did not turn solid blue, and it acted like it was broken. So in order to fix that, that is the purpose of the video today. There's an easy trick to do so. Mine's actually plugged in behind this gate, and it is nearly impossible to get to without going through, hickory bushes. It's plugged in down there and I just can't reach it. So the quickest thing to do would be to unplug it at its source and reset it. If yours is wired like mine to where you're worried about getting to where it's hard plugged in, there's an even easier step, unless you're just unplugging it out of the wall, and that's to remove this Phillips screw and unplug the power from the unit itself. Pretty much this is a little protective cover that keeps anybody from being able to unplug it, near water. You don't want an open electrical source. So if you unscrew this to the left, remove the unit from the base itself, remove the power cord from the base, let it stay for about 10 seconds unplugged and plug it back in. That will normally fix your problem of it not engaging whenever you push the power button. I just wanted to share that tip if anybody is hitting the internet wondering why their Dolphin unit is not working. That is likely a fix, and leave me a comment if it works for you. I'll show you what the unit itself looks like up close, but they're all pretty much the same as it relates to the power source. There it is in action going down the wall. Another thing that I wanted to talk about is you can see the white on that blue power cable that actually goes to the Dolphin robot. It's starting to get worn out, and at some point I'm going to have to replace this. So if you're looking to replace that power line, if you think you have a cut in it, or if yours is just getting blue plastic in your pool, I'll put a link to some OEM quality replacement options. Because if you buy aftermarket, you may not get a working swivel, and ultimately you'll have a tangled cord every time you go to use it. It is important to take these out of the pool as often as possible. The less salt water on those power lines, the better, and it'll give you many, many months, if not years, of great use. All right, guys, there it is doing its thing, getting all the way to the top. That's at least an 8-foot deep in. I've never measured it. But it keeps this 50,000 gallon pool very, very clean, and it hasn't even been ran in probably a week. So I will let you guys go about your day. Let me know if that helped you fix your problem, and thanks for checking out BT Willis Garage. You guys take care.